Hello everyone, this is third video of sixth chapter. In this video, we'll discuss question number 24th and 31st. Question number 24th. ABC were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2 to 1. B retired on 31st March 2021. On the date of his retirement, some of the assets and liabilities appeared in the books as follows. So value of assets and liabilities are given. Following was agreed among the partners on B's retirement. So some revaluations and reassessments have been made, and for that we have to pass journal entries and we have to prepare revaluation account. First of all, journal entries. First entry will be building account debit, finished goods account debit, sale of scrap account debit to revaluation. You can see in first adjustment building जो है that is to be appreciated by 20%. तो बिल्डिंग वैल्यू इज 1,00,000 रुपीज़ 20,000 से इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. देन स्टॉक ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल इज टू बी वैल्यूड एट 18,000. रॉ मटेरियल का स्टॉक कम किया जा रहा है और फिनिश गुड्स का स्टॉक न्यू वैल्यू इज 35,000. सो इट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग विद रुपीज़ 5,000. देन एन ओल्ड कंप्यूटर प्रीवियसली रिटर्न ऑफ वॉज सोल्ड फॉर 2,000 एज स्क्रैप. तो ये तीनों जो हैं ये फ़ायदे हैं. तो building will be debited, finished goods will be debited, sale of scrap will be debited, and revaluation will be credited. 20,000, 5,000, 2,000 and 27,000 total. After that, point B, plant and machinery is to be reduced by 10%. 10% of 40,000 is 4,000. Then provision of 5% on debtors is to be made. 5% of 20,000 is 1,000. Stock of raw material value is reduced by 2,000 and firm had to pay 5,000 to an injured employee. This is also a liability. So revaluation account debit, जब भी लॉस होगा तो revaluation debit किया जाएगा. Revaluation account debit to plant and machinery, to provision for doubtful debts, to raw material and to claim for injury. Total amounts 4,000, 1,000, 2,000 and 5,000. Total 12,000. So credit side of revaluation exceeds the debit side by 15,000. And in the last entry, the profit will be distributed by passing the entry revaluation account debit to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital. 15,000 profit will be distributed between the old partners, means all the partners, in their profit sharing ratio, which is 2 to 1. After the revaluation account, all the losses will be written on the left side and gains will be written on the right side. The difference will be distributed on the left side because credit side exceeds the debit side by 15,000 rupees. This is your 24th question. Now question number 31st. Kanika, Disha and Kabir were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1:1. On 31st March 2016, their balance sheet was as under. So balance sheet is given. Information for goodwill valuation is also given. Fixed assets were to be increased to 3 lakh rupees. Old value is 2,40,000, means there is an increase of 60,000. Stock was to be valued at 120%, means stock will be increased by 20,000. Both are benefits. So first of all, we'll prepare revaluation account. Buy fixed asset 60,000, buy stock 20,000, total 80,000. So 80,000 will be distributed between all the partners in their profit sharing ratio, which is 2:1:1. Kanika will get 40,000, Disha will get 20,000 and Kabir will get 20,000 rupees. After that, partners capital account. Buy balance brought down. Kanika 2 lakh, Disha 1 lakh and Kabir 80,000 rupees. By revaluation account, जो revaluation का profit हुआ है, that will be distributed. You can see on the asset side, the balance of profit and loss account is given, means this is the balance of loss 20,000. This will be written on the left side of partners capital 10, 5 and 5,000 rupees. Now goodwill valuation. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 2 years purchase of average profit of 3 completed preceding completed years preceding that the date of retirement. The profit for the year 2014, 13-14, 1 lakh rupees, 14-15, 1 lakh 30,000, and previous year's loss is 20,000 rupees. So we have to calculate average profit. Average profit is equal to 1 lakh plus 130 minus 20,000, 2 lakh 10,000 over 3, 70,000. Value of goodwill is equal to average profit, which is 70,000, into number of years purchased, which is 2. So value of goodwill will be 1,40,000. Kanika's share of goodwill. Kanika is the retiring partner. So her share of goodwill will be 1,40,000 into 2 by 4. Her share in profits 70,000. Gaining ratio इस क्वेश्चन में इक्वल रहेगी, because after Kanika's retirement the remaining ratio will be 1-1 between Disha and Kabir. तो गेनिंग रेशियो भी इक्वल ही रहेगी. तो राइट साइड पे आ जाएगा बाय कबीर्स कैपिटल 35,000 बाय दिशा's कैपिटल 35,000 मीन्स कनिका विल गेट 70,000 इक्वली फ्रॉम कबीर एंड दिशा. 35,000 फ्रॉम कबीर एंड 35,000 फ्रॉम दिशा. ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड टू कनिका's कैपिटल अकाउंट, इन दोनों को 35,000 से डेबिट कर दिया जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट टोटल ऑफ राइट साइड एंड लेफ्ट साइड, दिशा और कबीर का जो बैलेंस होगा दैट विल बी रिटन इन द बैलेंस शीट एज देयर कैपिटल्स, और जो कनिका का बैलेंस होगा दैट विल बी ट्रीटेड एज कनिकाज लोन. अगर क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने कुछ बताया है तो वैसे ही करना है. अगर नहीं बताया है कि पेमेंट की है या नहीं की है, तो जो बैलेंस बचेगा रिटायरिंग पार्टनर का दैट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज लोन. नाउ द बैलेंस शीट, ट्रेड क्रेडिटर्स विल रिमेन सेम, ईपीएफ विल ऑल्सो रिमेन सेम. कनिका's कैपिटल विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू हर लोन. अब ये 3 लाख रुपीज़ जो है वो कनिका का लोन है. दिशा's कैपिटल, कबीर्स कैपिटल. ऑन द एसेट साइड बैंक बैलेंस विल रिमेन द सेम, डेटर्स विल रिमेन सेम. स्टॉक 1 लाख रुपीज़ का था, 20,000 से इंक्रीज हो गया, द बैलेंस विल बी 1,20,000. फिक्स्ड एसेट्स 240 प्लस 60,000 से इंक्रीज हो गए, द बैलेंस विल बी 3 लाख. सो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. थैंक यू.